Hello there, this is Dr. Zullo from your FYE130 class, Technical Tools and Digital Citizenship here at Post University. I wanted to talk with you a little bit about Week 1 assignments. In Blackboard Ultra, when you see the Week 1 Tech Essentials for College Success, don't forget that when you see this little arrow here, that opens the folder. Inside that folder are a bunch of other things. Some of them are things you can do immediately, like click on the objectives and activities, which tells you what kinds of activities you'll be involved in and what the reasons are for us having you do those things. Make sure you read through that. The introductions is a discussion board. That's a optional and ungraded discussion board. Here's this icon here means that there's another folder, Mind Tap Readings and Activities. You can click on that little button right there, open it up. Here are your parts of your textbook. Your textbook should behave the same way mine is behaving right now. That is, you'll see that little clock type thing. You'll see that little icon right there. And then it'll bring you directly to the page they want you to start reading on. And that's the first reading assignment, 2, 3 reading assignments. Here are some assignments to do. Make sure you click on those and accept all the cookies necessary to be able to let them run and do their thing. Then the LinkedIn Learning Resources is another folder. These things are great to listen to and work through. Not quite sure if you have to be a member of LinkedIn. If you do, create your own LinkedIn account, no problem. It's a pretty reputable website and probably necessary for your career in the future. So do that if you haven't started. And then your Week 1 activity. As I said in our intro, I'm not quite sure whether these activities will record a grade. I think they show in the grade book, but I don't think that they will have a grade. They might show that you've completed it. And then finally, the Week 1 discussion, Debunking Myths and Building Digital Skills. You'll see when someone has posted, you'll see a little pink dot like that. And that means someone has posted in that discussion board. Don't forget that discussion boards require your initial post to be completed by Wednesday of that week. Then, after Wednesday, read some of your classmates' posts and reply to 2 before the Sunday of the unit. So this one shows you that in this term, the due date is Sunday, March 15th at 11:59 p.m. That's the deadline for the replies. The initial posts still would have had to have been done before that on the Wednesday. So let me know if you've got any questions. This is Dr. Zullo from Post University. See you in the discussions.